In this video, you're going to see an example of how to solve a subtraction problem with mixed numbers, which means whole numbers and fractions, where I need to ungroup. Now, looking at 9 and 1/6 minus 5 and 7/9, you may or may not know already that you need to ungroup. It's okay if you don't know already, but you will be able to tell as soon as we get a common denominator. So that is my first step, as it is with any addition and subtraction problem. Now, I'm looking at my bottom numbers, and I have a 6 and I have a 9. If I think about that, I could do the lazy man's way, which would turn them both into 54s, but there is a way I can get them to be a little bit smaller. I'm thinking about what a 6 and a 9 will both fit into. So if I think of my count bys with each one, I know that they will both fit into 18. So how can I turn both a 9 and a 6 into an 18? Well, if I start with my 6, I know that I can be 6 times 3 equals 18. And then on the top, I'm going to multiply it by 3 as well, which equals 3/18. And then on the bottom, if I think about it, I know that I can times it by 2 to equal 18. And then I can times the top by 2 as well. So, if I rewrite this problem now, I have 9 and 3/18 minus 5 and 14/18. My bottom numbers are the same, so it's a common denominator, which is good. But if I look at 3/18 minus 14/18, I can't do that. I do not have enough 18ths to make that happen. So what I need to do now is I need to borrow from my whole number on the top, and that whole number is a 9. And I'm going to take away 1 from that, which turns it into an 8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the value of 1. So I borrowed 1 from my whole number, and now I need to add 1 back to my fraction. But I'm not just going to add 1, I need it to add as a fraction. And the easiest way to do that is by having the bottom number be an 18, and then in order to get the value of 1, I'm going to put an 18 on the top. So now it's 18/18. 18/18, or if I think about it as a division problem, this line right here can mean divided. So I could read 18 divided by 18, and that equals 1. So I have the value of 1. Now I'm going to actually solve this and combine my 3/18 plus my 18/18, and that equals 21/18. First, I'll rewrite my whole number. I can't forget about that. It's 8 now. And then 3 plus 18 equals 21 over 18. I changed nothing on the bottom here, so I'm just going to rewrite that underneath. 5 and 14/18. And now all I need to do is take fraction minus fraction. So 21 minus 14, that equals 7. Lazy denominator stays the same. And then I have 8 minus 5, which is 3. My final answer for this problem is 3 7/18.